Hey, good morning, everybody. Here we are Tuesday for the Tour Tuesday on the Morning Live video series. Um, Hope everybody's doing well. It's a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be 70 degrees today. Just a quick preview of what we got coming up tomorrow. Of course, we've got our normal real estate tips. We'll go into that tomorrow morning at 8:30, and then tomorrow is also our Lunch and Learn first time home buyers class. So if you know somebody that maybe is currently renting or is in the hunt for a home, let them know about our first time home buyers class. We'll have some special options and stuff available for first time home buyers. Today for our Tour Tuesday, we're looking at a brand new condo here in Post Falls. It is literally one block from Black Bay Park, right on the Spokane River. So you're one block away from being able to walk down to the water, and you're about 3 blocks from grocery store there, Yokes in Post Falls. So great little gated community with a condo that has first floor master bedroom. So let's take a look at this condo and let me know what you think. Got entryway right into the kitchen. Nice corner sink with windows there. Stainless steel appliances. Nice little breakfast bar. Island. Eating area. Corner fireplace. And nice patio area there. Morning, everybody. And this goes out into the garage area here. 2-car garage. So nice size garage for a small condo. This condo is under $300,000, which is pretty tough to find anymore on brand new construction. We're at $289,000. Here's the master bedroom. Nice closet into the master bath suite. Morning, Emily. All right, and then full walk-in shower, double sinks. Got a nice view out on the patio area. Enough room for a hot tub out there. So easy living here, not much to take care of for those that want to decrease what they've got to take care of. Nice little office area or additional bedroom here. And a little half bath laundry right here, easy to get to on the main floor. And then we've got an upstairs as well with additional bedrooms there. So let's take a look what we've got up here. So basically we have a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Actually 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this little extra bedroom has got its own en-suite bath. So nice for your guests to enjoy. Again, I mentioned it's only a block away from Black Bay Park here in Post Falls. So for those that want to be close to the water and walking, and Centennial Trail is right here as well. So you've got lots of activities to stay active. Small yard, so not much to take care of maintenance wise, and a great place to call home. And for under $300,000, this house is listed for $289,000. If you guys have any questions or requests on home tours, or questions on any homes in general, love to answer those. I've got listing appointment today and then again on Friday, so should have some new stuff coming on the market. Some acreage parcels with nice newer homes and shops. So if you're looking for a home with a shop and some acreage, get in touch with me. I've got some new stuff coming on the market. Love to hear from you. If you've got a home that you're thinking about selling, now is a great time. As we saw with our market stats yesterday, super low inventory. Homes are selling, over in Spokane in 30 days or less, and over here typically about 60 days right now with the low inventory. So Give me a shout if you got questions on the value of your home or would like to see what putting your home up on the market would look like. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. Enjoy the sun. It's supposed to be 70 degrees today. Put on some sunblock and stuff if you're out in the sun. A lot of us haven't had much sunlight yet this year. I know my buddy's son is suffering badly from a burn. He had his shirt off all day yesterday. Get out, stay active, everybody. It keeps the mind in good condition, getting your physical activity in. I got a nice hike up at a new location that I got to check out up on Canfield with some buddies that started up a ruck club. So join a club, get out, hike, enjoy life, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Get in touch with me if you haven't heard from me lately. Love to hear your voice. Have a great day.